friends, it's Roxana from Southwark Children and Family Centre. It's Valentine's Day soon. I thought it would be nice to show you how to make a Valentine's Day card for your loved ones. Like this one. Look at these children. What do you think? This can be a bunch of flowers or it can be a bunch of balloons. A heart ones, yeah? Okay, what you need is a A4 paper. Paper card is good, yeah, to make the cards. And then if you have colored paper, or you just draw little hearts on paper, doesn't have to be colored. Make patterns, make it your own, yeah? And then you cut it out. Look at all these hearts. Nice, isn't it? And you might need your felt tip pens, yeah, to draw and make little patterns on the hearts. And a glue stick, scissors to cut the little hearts. And I've got a piece of tissue paper because I'm planning to make this little bow here, but you can color in otherwise or draw, okay? You ready to start? Okay then, I'm taking my A4 card and fold it in two. First of all, yeah? Just like that for the card. Okay? And then I'm using my felt tip pen, a green one, to draw the stems of the flowers. Or it can be balloons, as I said. Use your imagination. Okay? So I'll just draw a few of them. And on the other side. See? Something like that. And then you stick your hearts on the top. And in here you can add your little bow. Okay? And make it just like that, okay? And then on the little hearts, as I've done it on this one, see, you can decorate them, yeah? Draw little patterns, okay? Looks lovely, isn't it? So I'm just going to do a few with different colors, like different patterns. Or let's see, a zigzag one on this, and then I'm using another color. I'm using red and a yellow heart, and I'm going to just make some X's. It's up to you, yeah? Or let's say all little dots on another one. Just like that. Dot, 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 dot. Okay, children? Yeah? You make little patterns, yeah? As you like to decorate. Okay, children? What else I've done in here? Lines or stripes. Okay. Oh, let me use another color. Just like that. And now let's stick them, okay? Let's just stick them. Then if you want to make them like a 3D, you just take the little heart and fold it like that in two and just add glue on the middle. And when you stick it on a card, it's going to look like a 3D, okay? Let's just stick this one. Oh, look at that. I'm going to stick this on the top. Red heart. And I'm going to make another 3D. Just like that. Fold it a little bit and add stick here at the back in the middle of the heart. And then stick it on your card. Oh, how cool. Isn't it? Ask your grown-ups to help you with the cutting, yeah? You just draw little hearts first on the paper and then cut it out. Okay? Here you go. That's so cute. Use different colors if you like. Look at that. Get one more, then you can add as many as you like. Yeah, look at this. Wow. And now I'm just going to make my bow from the tissue paper. Yeah, just fold it like that. See? Just crunch it a bit here in the middle and then you add your glue, okay? Just like that. And stick it here. Look, children. It's cute, isn't it? And then you write your message inside and send it to your loved ones. Okay? That's a very nice card, isn't it? You have your go now, all right? Thanks for watching. See you later. Take care. Bye.